Today's 2-minute tech tip is on Pear for Google Slides. Pear is a Google Slide add-on, and you can get it by going to Add-ons and Get Add-ons. Once it's installed, you go to Pear and you go to Open the Pear add-on, and then it will show up over here on the right where I've already got it open. Now, Pear will give you several different slides to start with, interactive slides that you can add into a pre-existing Google slide presentation. So if you look through, there are beginning, during, and end of lesson. I've already, for the sake of time, added 3. So this one is one that is tell me what you know about the slide. And so I'm just going to put a text box in there that says, what did you learn from last night's reading? And the students will then input their information. This one is a draggable slide. You can drag your dot to how you're feeling, so this is kind of a check for understanding. You can change any of these pictures. You can also change all of the text down at the bottom. And this is a draw a line kind of slide. So I'm going to show you what those look like when you present them to your students. So we would go up here to present lesson, and we will get a code. So now I've opened up what the students will see on your projector and then what they will see on their device. They go to joinpd.com, it tells you right here, and they type in the JBNWT and hit enter. And once they do that, you will see over here that you have students connected. And once they're connected, they can tell how they're feeling, and then you just start class. And you will go through your presentation by clicking the, I gotta move that up. You'll click through your presentation, and as you move, they will see the slide. Now when you pause here, the students can answer the question. I thought it was confusing, or whatever they want to say. They can then show the question again, and you as the teacher can go over here and you can show what the responses were. Okay, and then you can move on. Drag your dot how you're feeling. This is what the students would see. I'm a little confused. And once you show the responses, you will see there's only one response right now, but if there were several students, you would see all of their dots. And that's the draggable. Here's what the drawing one looks like. The students see this over here, and they can write whatever they want, which is sometimes not a good thing. But then you can show, so if you had them circle or whatever you wanted them to do, just put a dot on a Venn diagram where they would fall, then you would see that. And then you can not show, and you can go on with your presentation. And the students would not be able to advance the slides without you advancing it for them. So that's just very quick and dirty example of a Pear and if you have questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be glad to come and show you how